In this video, we'll be finding an angles measure based on given information. Suppose we're asked to find angle X. We're given information on an angle of 127 degrees and an angle of 26 degrees. One good strategy to use is to try to find the sum, or rather the interior angles of the triangle. We know that they sum to 180. So if we start by finding the supplementary angle to our 127 degree angle, in other words, if we evaluate the straight line and look at our angle of 127 degrees, because supplementary angles sum to 180 degrees, we know that this angle must be 180 minus 127, or 53 degrees. Now we can use the fact that vertical angles have the same measure to find this interior triangle, or this interior angle, rather. Because our angle here is 26 degrees, the measure of our top right interior angle was also 26 degrees. Now, because the sum of all angles in a triangle equals 180, I know that my remaining angle in my triangle can be found by taking 180, subtracting 127, subtracting 53, and then subtracting 26. So the measure of my third angle inside my triangle is 101 degrees. And again, because vertical angles have the same measure, I know that angle X must also be equal to 101 degrees. Let's take a look at another example. Suppose I'm given the following information: an angle of 114 degrees, here an angle of 138 degrees, and here I'm asked to find the measure of angle X. Again, we'll start by remembering that the sum of the measures of our supplementary angles equals 180 degrees. So if I have an angle of 138 degrees, its supplement is going to be the difference of 180 and 138. Or 42 degrees. Next, we'll consider angle 114 and find its supplement. 180 minus 114 gives us 66 degrees. So this gives us another interior angle on our triangle. Finally, to find the third angle, since we know that the sum of all angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees, we can take 180, subtract 66, which gives us 114, and from this we can subtract 42. So I know that the third angle in our triangle is 72 degrees. And using the fact that vertical angles have the same measurement, I can now say that angle X equals 72 degrees. That concludes our video. I hope you found these examples helpful, and we'll see you next time.